Hey everybody, this is John. I just want to say hi. I wanted to do this for. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I just haven't had a chance to do it. But I want to share with you um, what the difference is between meditation and common point immersion. Something that I've developed over the years, and I discuss more of this in my book coming out this year. And this is a very basic immersion that we're going to do, and it's really pretty incredible. And in my book, there's 6 levels of that you get when you do a common point immersion. And the first one is lift, the second one is breakthrough, and there's clarity, certainty, and progress, and then rest. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go through all those in this video. And how we're going to do this is what I want you to do is I want you to focus either on the lavender flower, on the green, or on the colors, or maybe some other critter that might come in, maybe a bug might fly by. What I want you to see and I want you to understand is the more you study this particular piece of life here that I'm videoing, just study it and go deeper and deeper into what you see. Don't just see the surface. Immersion is about immersion. It's about immersion. It's about immersing into that process. It's not about just seeing the surface of things. And what's happening with our society is all we do is see the surface, and all we do is see ourselves. We become a very self-centered society. And so when you understand this process, you'll be able to immerse with anything and be able to, 1, relax, and 2, it will bring you a sense of peace. So what I want you to do is, as you're looking, and I'm going to be quiet for a while because I want you to do this immersion, as you're looking, you will start feeling a bit of a lift as you really focus on the natural state of this, what's going on, as you really focus on it and look beneath it, okay? Look beyond what you see and look at the greens, look at the colors, look at whatever else might show up on the screen, and just feel that lift, feel that connection to nature, okay? And then the next step will be a breakthrough. You're going to go, oh wow, I didn't see that earlier, but now I see it. So if you keep studying the same natural phenomenon, you're going to see different things, smaller things, okay? So that would be the breakthrough. And then you will come to clarity. And clarity is you knowing, like, wow, I'm actually connected to this. Okay, I'm actually part of this. This is me as a human being, being human. Okay? So once you find clarity in that level, then you're going to get to certainty. And certainty is that level of, like, wow, I'm here. I'm here. I'm human. I'm alive. I'm part of this whole process. And then through that is progress, because you learn from that. You learn from what you're taking in and what you're seeing. You learn your appreciation for nature. You learn that appreciation for life itself. And so after you go through all those 5 levels of this, and they can happen quickly, it can happen slowly, but you'll reach all 5 levels. And then when you're done, you'll rest. And during that rest period is when you contemplate and you think about what you experienced. There's a bird in the background. Those are the 6 levels of common point immersion. So now I'm going to be real quiet and just let you immerse into the sound and into the visuals of this video.